Hello everyone, I am Ganeshan, Director of Icol Chemicals Private Limited. We manufacture synthetic rubber-based adhesives of various grades since 1987. Also, we manufacture different grades of adhesives for different purposes. Today, I would like to introduce our premium product called Polo Heat Max, which is mainly used for lamination by carpenters. This premium product, Polo Heat Max, is mainly used for mica to plywood, mica to mica, and edge bonding all these things. Further, it is also used for PVC to plywood and PVC to wall like the one behind me. This PVC sheet bonded with the Polo Heat Max will give longer life for your interiors compared to any other products. Also, these PVC sheets available in different colors, different designs, looks like marble or granite finish. This PVC finish will give your home as well as your office a light and a premium look. Also, this can be used as in false ceiling, bonded with our Polo Heat Max. The special feature of Polo Heat Max is withstanding a temperature of up to 180 degrees Celsius. Also, it has been tested for high performance. Now, we would like to show you a practical demonstration of PVC sheet bonded with our Polo Heat Max on the wall.
Hello everyone, I am Rahul Ganeshan, Managing Director, Sales and Marketing of Icol Chemicals Private Limited. We have joined hands with Kevin's Group, who is said to be the most established supplier of PVC sheets in the market, and launched a product called Polo Heat Max True Bond. Now I am going to show you a wonderful demonstration of how to fix a PVC sheet with using our Polo Heat Max on the wall. I'm here to fix the PVC sheet of 3 mm, which is around 2 by 1 on the wall. Place the PVC sheet on the wall and try to mark all the 4 corners. Make sure the wall is very clean and dry and without any dust. Once you have marked it, now you can open the Polo Heat Max tin. Try to mix it thoroughly until the color becomes pale yellow. Now you can apply slowly using a mica sheet or might be even a PVC sheet, a small piece of PVC sheet on the wall. Next, you can start applying our Polo Heat Max on the PVC sheet. Make sure that you are covering all the parts of PVC sheet which are going to be bonded. We can leave the adhesive to dry for maximum up to 3 to 5 minutes. So you can touch and feel whether the adhesive is being dried completely. After this, slowly you can place the PVC sheet which has been applied with adhesive on the place where the adhesive has been applied on the wall. After placing the PVC sheet on the wall, try to put maximum pressure for better results. You can also take a small piece of wood and try to hammer it slowly on the PVC sheet to get a better bonding strength. Heat Max gives you a wonderful coverage along with high bonding strength. It is also having a very less odor, which will be very beneficial for the carpenters. Meanwhile, the collaboration we have with Kevin's group TrueBond will give the carpenters and the interior decorators a one-stop solution. So choose Polo Heat Max and see what magic it does.